My name is Troy. I've been in law enforcement for over 20 years. I've worked in the Midwest, started working with schools and safety, and once I had my own kids in middle schools and saw what some of these schools are doing, I heard about Clear Armor, and I had to come see it for myself. You know, and working in law enforcement, you're always skeptic about what the product can do and what it can stop. And when you show up to this warehouse and see what they're able to do, it blew my mind. The products that can stop round after round after round, it's nothing I ever expected. Hitting it with a bat, a golf club, trying to force entry past the glass, even with that 15 mil, nothing, I couldn't even explain it. I mean, how do you stop somebody from gaining entry through that glass that on a normal basis you see from time and time again from surveillance videos, from different crimes in my jurisdiction, where they're breaking glass, going in and stealing, whether it's cell phones or alcohol, liquor stores. This product would stop them from gaining entry, giving us a chance to come in and apprehend them. So, I mean, the product is phenomenal. I mean, not only is it just the bulletproof glass, this is other materials, so you can harden a wall, you can harden a different surface that is not transparent. So if you want to harden the entire access point, this material is able to do that. Watching a 1/4-inch board stop a 9mm round at point blank range is one thing. To see this board have been shot 433 times, this was the 433rd time that this board was shot, and it weighs less than a pound per square foot. I mean, what other product can do that?